Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to be going through question 5 of this exam paper, specifically 5.1, and it sets you up with this pretext about the OpenSSL project. And what can be quite confusing about these questions is it sets you up with all this information about OpenSSL and then comes straight in with what is encryption. And it's asking you this because it's wanting to check your understanding of encryption and the basic principle behind what we're trying to do with encryption, and then it will go on to more questions directly related to OpenSSL later on in the later parts of the question. So to answer this part of the question then, you need to understand the basic idea behind encrypting a message, which is that we're taking plain text and converting it into ciphertext that another person on the internet, if we're sending it over the internet, can't read. Other parties can't read this ciphertext without knowing what algorithm we've used to encrypt the data. And the important thing about this is that the message can only be decrypted by an authorized receiver, so someone who's supposed to have received the message. So an ideal answer for this question then, for your first mark, would be encryption is the encoding of a message for your first mark. So my first mark there, I've got encryption is the encoding of a message, and for my second mark I'm going to come here and say from plain text to ciphertext, our key idea that we spoke about earlier in the video over there. So if you wrote this in exam, you would get both of the marks, because I've said encryption is the encoding of a message from plain text to ciphertext. There are, however, some other things you could have included as well, if you omitted one of these and put something else. You could have said so that encryption is the encoding of a message so that other parties can't read the message, or encryption is the encoding of a message and that message can only be decrypted by the authorized receiver. Okay, that's how you answer that exam question, question 5.1. Thanks for watching.